Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, December 16th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. I can't believe how quickly this month is just passing by. But if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 20 years now. This coming year will be 20 years. Been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So I don't really have a video outline for today. I just wanted to come on here and shoot a video and give you a couple updates on what I'm doing and how I plan to move into the new year. There's a couple changes that I'm going to be making. The first change is that I'm no longer going to be doing my Mailbox Money Nation paid group. All right, it was something that I tried to get it going, and I just don't want to use up my time and resources on things that just aren't working out. Sometimes you just have to let things go, and that's one of the things I'm letting go. I appreciate everybody who was a member of that, and who responded to some of the posts and things like that. But it's hard to get a group going, and I just don't want to put any more time into something that's not growing the way that I think it should be growing. So I'm going to get rid of that group. But with that being said, I started a new Facebook group, and it's called Silver Freedom Alliance, and you can go and check that out. You can go to silverfreedomalliance.com and go check it out. Join that group. This is going to be a free to join group right now, and over time, as it gets bigger, it'll probably become a paid group. But right now, I'm just trying to get it members to join and have it grow as much as I possibly can before the new year. So that you can go and check out, Silver Freedom Alliance. We're going to be talking about silver over there. We're going to be talking about the way that I go about building my home-based business and stacking silver and all of that fun stuff. The next change that I'm doing is I'm no longer going to be offering my 60-minute phone consults and my 30-day momentum programs. I enjoyed doing these. I made good money doing them. But with this new platform that I'm using, it's wiser for me just to direct people over to this new platform, because it literally has all the training that you will ever need in order to build and grow a home-based business, right? So for example, say you paid me the $297 for my 30-day momentum program. After you did that, most people only ever did 1 month. In fact, everybody only ever did 1 month of that, because it was a 30-day program, right? So I would make $300 on the person, on whoever joined that program. Well, with this new platform, if they go and get the premium membership, which has all the trainings, I'm going to be making $100 a month from one person, and they're going to stay with this forever because it's just so valuable. There's daily trainings, there's weekend trainings, there's we have our own YouTube type channel called Wealth Flicks with different videos about wealth. I mean, it's just awesome. Okay, what you get, the value you get far exceeds anything that I could put together in a coaching program. Okay, so the people are going to stick with me longer, so I don't have to do any work other than send them over to this new system that I'm using, right? So it just makes more sense for my time and financially. Like I said, the average person that joins this new platform, they're not going to go anywhere. They're going to stick with it because it's so valuable. I mean, the content that you get is it's unmatched anywhere, right? So I'm no longer going to be doing my calls. I'm no longer going to be doing my 30-day momentum program, but the new program that I am working with, it's a new to me program. It's been around for 10 years next year. It has all the training that you could ever possibly want, and it's really top notch, okay? So this new platform, new to me platform, is going to be my foundational platform that I'm going to use to build up my QuickSilver business, all right? And that's what Silver Freedom Alliance is all about too, about using this new platform to build QuickSilver and just building a home-based business in general using the two platforms, okay? So we're gonna have the two platforms that I'm working with. and my Silver Freedom Alliance group. And that's what I'm going to go into 2026 focusing on. It doesn't mean I'm still going to be doing American Bill Money and Cash Building System Unlimited and my other direct mail opportunities. Okay, those are all. I'm always going to be doing those. But my focus is going to be on using this new to me platform in conjunction with QuickSilver to build up $10,000 a month or more residual. All right, and that's what we're gonna be training. We're gonna have live trainings. My sponsor, other team members of ours. We're gonna be doing training calls every week, and we're just going to be helping people build generational wealth through stacking silver, and then creating a nice monthly residual income with this new platform in conjunction with QuickSilver. Okay, so it's really, really cool. Super excited about it. And by doing this and getting rid of all this other stuff, it's just going to make things a whole lot simpler for me. It's going to be, it's going to give me more time to do the things that I need to focus on, which is help all of you get your businesses up and running and off to the right start so that you can build a nice monthly residual income. And that's what I'm focusing on. So that's what I'm going to be doing going into 2026. I will leave links down below this video for the platform that I'm using, my foundational platform, and then I'll link down there for QuickSilver. So you can go check that out and get a free bar of silver just for checking us out and to help kickstart your silver journey, your silver stacking journey. And then reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. But these two platforms combined with our Silver Freedom Alliance group is going to be awesome. Okay, I'm telling you, it's going to be awesome. I'm super excited going into the new year and getting all this, and then taking all the other things and just making my workload less so that I can help you all start and grow your business the right way. So I'm super excited. If you have any questions about this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. And with that being said, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.